Zombie? Okay. First costume I have to change my skin tone for. Okay, so the reason why this is being uploaded on day 5 is because I had to experience some technical difficulties. First, my screen recorder wouldn't record the choice wheel because it's protected content. And then I recorded the audio in another room, but it sounded terrible, so now I have to record it again. Maybe I should just stop recording audio for these and just show you my reaction to the costume, the build I made corresponding with that costume, skit, and that's it. Guys, I'm bored. Can you zombie dance with me? Thank you.
The next day.
Okay. Skeleton. Wait a second, what am I gonna do with a skeleton? I already made a graveyard. I can't make a graveyard again. That's lame. Uh, okay. This is gonna be difficult. I'll think of something. I will think of something. First of all, let me apologize for the bad audio to my reaction to the costume I got. I recorded in another room without realizing how bad it was going to sound. This is why I record all my audio in my closet, because it blocks out any outdoor noises. Most of it. It's a quiet space. I don't have to worry about any interruptions. Anyway, I had a really hard time making a room for this costume. I mean, it's a skeleton. What am I supposed to make for a skeleton? I can't do a graveyard because I already made a graveyard. So I just made a creepy old abandoned hospital instead. Luckily, there are no doctors' costumes on this wheel, so I can get away with this. Hopefully, the next day has something that won't give me creator's block for like the next hour. This is probably the least impressive, but hopefully the next view will be better. And I hope I didn't jinx myself. Oh man, this thing really stinks. What the heck? Uh-oh, looks like you got some skeletons in your closet. We have a bone to pick with you. I wanted to go to a Halloween party, but I had no body to go with. You have the guts to deal with us. I want to play church music, but I don't have any organs. You better send us to jail, because we're bad to the bone. Aww. What? You three look so cute. Cute? It's not supposed to be cute, it's supposed to be scary. Be scared. You guys have casts on your little bone feet. That's freaking adorable. Tyler, mark my words. This month, you will get scared. Yeah, I'm sure I will.